Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix the issue when you cannot power on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So as default, all you have to do is just to click and hold the power button and hold it until you've got the Samsung logo on the screen. But if it doesn't work, I can recommend you to grab your cable, the USB-C cable, and plug it to the any power source. In my case, I'm gonna do this with my phone. And when I plug the second end into the A35, just take a look on the screen, we got this charging information. So now you have to actually wait until you will get this screen, until it will be lights up, and there's like big chance that basically your battery is completely dead. So you have to recharge your phone for like 20 or even 30 minutes, and after this just click and hold the power button and turn it on back. So in most cases it will actually works, but if it doesn't work, there's definitely like more advanced problem with your phone, probably some motherboard problems, and you will have to actually use the warranty of this smartphone. So that's it. Tell me if it works in the comments, and right now please subscribe.